What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2022 Lexus ES350.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. On the left side here, we have a button that says push. Okay, we're going to push it in, okay, on this one side here, and then the emergency key will come out of the bottom. Once we have it out of the bottom, notice that there's a slot right here that we're going to use to crack open the remote. Okay, use a small flathead screwdriver, stick it in the slot, kind of at a sideways angle like this, and I'm going to pry it open. Okay, be kind of careful not to drop it. I'm going to hold it like this, and then there's another slot kind of right here we can use to pry the battery right out. Then we get the new battery, and I'm going to show you what the size is. So here's the new battery, and the size is a CR 2032. And notice that there's a positive sign here that will be facing us or facing out. We'll just get it and stick it right on the remote here and just click it right in here. If you need one of these batteries, there's going to be a link down below where you can get one on Amazon. They're like $1, so check that out if you need a new battery and you haven't got one yet. But we just get the other half of the case, and we're just going to squeeze this guy back together. You hear it click and pop, and then we'll get the emergency key, slide it back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.